Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. Today we have got a 2024 Subaru WRX Sti, which I highly doubt it. I don't think they did a Sti in 24 model. So how did Matchbox did it? Well, I don't know. Maybe it's a Japanese version. I don't think, because I didn't see any in the North America market. So maybe. This casting is new for 2025. It doesn't mention here, but it's new for 2025. So let's open it up and see how does it look. So here's the Subaru WRX Sti out of its box, and as I said, it might have been the Japanese model, and I wasn't wrong. It's a right-hand drive version, so it's not the one you get in the North America, US Canada market. So I think they did a Sti there, maybe. This color, well, this is kind of synonymous with WRX. They came out in this color. So like one of their brand color, I would say, for some time. But yeah, few things that I noticed on the side, which, if I'm not wrong, so the fenders on the actual car are not body colored. Here they are. I don't know if it's body colored on STI, but on current gen WRX it is not. So Matchbox missed it there. Apart from that, let's focus on the things which are good. Wheels, we have seen on so many different cars throughout the years. I think they could have done like a grey one rather than silver. That would have looked better on this, in my opinion. But doesn't look bad. Now, coming to the front. Now, really good details in the front. As you can see, you've got detailed grille with a badge, STI badge, detailed headlamps. Lower grille also have some features on it which are not painted but still looks good. You can see the vent on the hood for the turbocharger intake. You also got both the mirrors, both the windshield wipers, which is again a good thing to have. Now, as I mentioned, it's a Japanese car, so it has a steering wheel on the right side. You can see here. Let's see. So on the driver's side, you've got again some good details. Apart from this color match fender, which I don't know why, color match wheel flare, fender flare, should be in grey compared to actual color, but I don't mind it to be body color. It actually looks good. Subaru should do that. Subaru did this cladding like a SUV on WRX this generation. I don't know why they did it. Nobody's going rally. Nobody's gonna scratch your body. I don't know why they did it. Somebody decided it's look good. So on the side, the B pillar is the part of the glass house. It's not metal. I would have liked it if it was metal, or even if the glass was blacked out, tinted, but it's not that bad. You got door handles which are not painted. You also got the fuel filler cap on the driver's side. Coming to the back, again good details here. As you can see, you have got painted headlamp, you got Subaru WRX Sti and S4 badge, and you got a number plate which I think says SU3U. I don't know, it's too small for me. You also get the Subaru badge in the back, and then there you got this trim, silver trim, looks good. Again, the grey rear bumper part with quad exhaust. You got a small spoiler on the trunk, not a huge one like you used to see on the WRX, and then you've got a shark fin antenna, and still 5-seater car, so you've got 2 seats in the front and 1 in the back. There are some details I can see in the interior, like the place for the touch screen, obviously steering and seats. Apart from that, I can't really see anything. This is how it looks from the top. This is how it looks from the bottom. Say it's tinted by metal. Overall, well, I like this casting. It actually looks good, and I don't know if Matchbox did a WRX before, but Hot Wheels definitely did, and I have a premium one, and I think this one will go really good with that casting and will look really good. I think I should find one more and swap the wheels. This casting has potential, in my opinion. Well, those are my thoughts. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.